Hi guys, Hexter 6, week 5. Now, it is week 5. We have 6 weeks of assignments. Don't let that fool you though. We do have 2 more weeks of school. So if you're feeling down and you haven't made enough progress, you can knock this course out and get done, okay? So I really want you to get some work done this week. Get some effort, put a few wins in the win column. And before you know it, you're going to be passing this class and getting your credit. And that's why you're on this Schoology journey. So let's get into this week. We're going to talk a little bit about magnetism this week in physics. But first, we have a very important discussion post. It's getting a little bit late in the year. I love all the work you guys have been doing. But this discussion post might turn out to be my favorite one. So I'd like you to give it a try and give it your best effort and sincerity. All right, then we have, oh, and by the way, that's worth 20 points. Then we have a reading on magnetism, okay? Again, I like to stress purposeful reading. So the strategy is to read the questions first. They are at the end of this reading. You can review them. The ones that are attached directly to the reading right here, okay, those are not, you can't edit those, but here is the part where you take the quiz. Then there's a second short reading on magnetism, okay. You get to take a quiz about that, and you take that quiz right here. Wherever there's a puzzle piece, that's where you take a quiz. Then we have a short video and an assignment that follows on magnets and magnetic fields. And there's some questions to ask about it, about the video. I should say there's some questions for you guys to answer about the video. And just pay attention. You feel free to pause the video, then go back and answer the questions. You know, I've set it up for you to succeed this week, just like I try to do every week. So get some missing assignments done. For sure, take this week's discussion post. I have one more week with all you wonderful people. So looking forward to a great week this week, and then we'll knock it out of the park next week. Have a great rest of your day.